makes me tick, keeps me happy, keeps me stable.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there has been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
Potential of surfing for military personnel with PTSD, depression, or sleep problems. Surfing is already being used in some veterans programs located in coastal areas. Early results showed that study participants who surfed at least once a week for 6 weeks reported decreased negative emotions and increased positive emotions.
Yeah, even if the waves are crummy and it's windy and cloudy, just to paddle out and get in the water, and I'm